Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share my experience staying at a budget hotel in Istanbul. If you are traveling on a budget, this might be the perfect options for you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and check out my other videos on Turkish street food, night markets and tourist attractions in Istanbul and Cappadocia. We had requested the airport transfer from the hotel, airport transfer service, which made our trip much smoother. First thing, the driver was on time, price is reasonable, helped with my luggage. After a long flight, it was great to be greeted at the airport and driven directly to the hotel without any stress. We need to go out from exit 14 if you are going by the airport transfer service. For traveler visiting Istanbul for the first time, booking the airport transfer is definitely worth it, as it saves time and avoids the hassle of finding a taxi or navigating public transport. When visiting Istanbul, it is very important to choose hotel in a good location. Staying close to the main attraction like the Grand Bazaar, Sultanahmet, makes exploring the city much easier and saves a lot of travel time. A central location also gives you quick access to restaurants, shops and public transport, which makes your trip more convenient and enjoyable. Our first stay at Fatih area was Prestige Hotel, which cost $100 per night. The room is spacious, well equipped, spotlessly clean, with daily housekeeping that keep everything fresh and comfortable. The breakfast buffet offered a nice variety of Turkish and international options. If you are looking for a well-located, clean, affordable hotel in the heart of Istanbul, Prestige Hotel is a great choice. The metro tramway stations are very close. The neighborhood is alive with so many shops. You can find everything like good restaurants, grocery shop, clothing, household nearby the hotel. After a 3-night stay at the Prestige Hotel, we took overnight bus to Cappadocia. In Gorame, we stayed 2 nights at Ili Cave Suites Hotel, which cost around €100 per night. The hotel is just 6 minutes walk from Gorame bus station. The location is excellent, right in the heart of Gorame, just a short walk to the local restaurants, shops and viewpoints. Choosing a hotel in a good location like this makes exploring Cappadocia much easier and more enjoyable. My stay at Ili Cave Suites in Gorame was absolutely unforgettable. The hotel perfectly combines the charm of a traditional Cappadocian cave experience with modern comfort and luxury. Each room is beautifully designed, carved into the rock and offers a warm, cozy atmosphere. Truly a unique experience you won't find anywhere else. The staffs were incredibly friendly and helpful, always ready with recommendations or to arrange tours and transfers. The breakfast was delicious and simple in Turkish and international options. The terrace views of the balloons at sunrise was simply breathtaking. After 3 days in Gorame, we again back to Istanbul by overnight bus. During our last 3 days in Istanbul, we stay at Mukanes Taksim Hotel. Mukanes Taksim Hotel is a short walk from Istiklal Street and Taksim Square. The room is modern, clean and comfortable with everything needed for a relaxing stay. Breakfast was fresh, delicious, offering a good mix of Turkish and international dishes. The hotel also felt very safe and quiet despite being close to the busy city center. Staying at a bazaar hotel in Istanbul proves that comfort and affordability can coexist. With a central location, clean rooms, included breakfast, and convenient transport, those hotels represent a practical choice for travelers seeking value without compromise. Whether you're exploring the historic sites of Sultanahmet or the lively streets of Taksim, those hotels offer a solid base for your Istanbul adventure. Thank you for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe for more travel guides, tips, and city experience from around the Istanbul.